News now from the United States again. Amidst the ongoing severe shortage of baby formula in the country, President Joe Biden has now invoked the Defense Production Act to expedite import of product from approved manufacturers. The White House confirmed that the U.S. will import baby formula on military contracted planes. The new plan has been named Operation Fly Formula, under which America now plans to fly in formula on commercial planes contracted by the military. White House released a statement saying, I'm quoting here, the Department of Defense will use its contracts to commercial air cargo lines to transport products from manufacturing facilities abroad that have met Food and Drug Administration safety standards, adding, bypassing regular air freighting routes will speed up the importation and distribution of formula and serve as an immediate support as manufacturers continue to ramp up production. U.S. President Joe Biden hailed the move, saying that it will help ease pressures as local manufacturers ramp up production to meet the increased demand.
The Defense Production Act gives the government the ability to require suppliers to direct needed resources to infant formula manufacturers before any other customer who may have ordered that good. And I'm also announcing Operation Fly Formula. That's to be able to speed up the import of infant formula and start getting more formula in stores as soon as possible. I've directed the Department of Defense and the Department of Health and Human Services to send aircraft, planes overseas to pick up infant formula that meets U.S. health and safety standards.
Now, the baby formula shortage in the country, it was triggered by local supply chains being disrupted here. The panic buying, the beginning of COVID outbreak, further aggravated by the biggest U.S. supplier of powdered infant formula, Abbott Nutrition, recalling its product after bacterial infection scare and shut down its factory in Michigan. The FDA has now approved resumption of production, but experts believe it will be another 2 to 4 months before supplies resume. Remember, the United States relies on domestic supplies for 98% of its supply. According to Data Assembly, 43% of people were hit by the shortage. American families have grown increasingly desperate, and the issue has now turned into a huge political issue ahead of the November midterms. Republicans have targeted the Biden administration and Democrats on the subject as well. The shortage, along with increased inflation, that is likely to adversely impact the Democratic campaign in the congressional polls.
He's usually very quiet.
I'm not going to start. You going to be an actor?
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.